Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to zoom in clips on Davinci Resolve 16. This tutorial is from a request that I got from one of my friends. To get your tutorial added, go to the description, click Coding Break Discord, go to requests, and type your request. So I have my gaming channel intro right here. Now what you're going to want to do to zoom is you're going to want to cut the parts out that you want to zoom in. So I've cut this section of my video out. Now what you're going to want to do is to select the clip, and you want to be able to see yourself zoom in probably. So I would either put it somewhere in your video where you know what you want to zoom in on, or put it right at the edge. Now you're going to want to open the inspector in the top right corner. Now once that is open, you need to select video if you're not already in video, and then you will see zoom X and zoom Y. Now normally this should be white, but if it's not, you just need to click it and they are now linked. So now whenever you zoom in, both X and Y will zoom in at the same time at the same rate. Now you can also position your zoom with position X and position Y. Now, as you can see, I've zoomed my clip in. Now, to unzoom your clip, you can double-click and you can press 1 in zoom. And to reposition, you can double-click, put 0, double-click, put 0. Now you will be centered, and your zoom will no longer be a thing.